Monitoring network access control. The show commands provided by Cisco ASA are extremely useful both in checking the health and status of the hardware and in isolating network-related issues. The necessary show commands to manage network access control are discussed in the following two sections. Monitoring ACLs. Cisco ASA provides the show access list command to determine whether the packets are passing through the configured ACLs. When a packet is matched against an ACE, the security appliance increments the hit count counter by 1. This is useful if you want to know what ACEs are heavily used in your network. Example shows the output of an ACL called outside access in. If object groups are used and the show access list outside access in command is executed, Cisco ASA expands and displays all the ACEs that are otherwise grouped into protocols, networks, and services. As shown in this example, the security appliance processed 1009 packets in the 6 ACE where the packets were denied and logged by the ACE. Monitoring content filtering. If the security appliance is set up to filter traffic by inspecting URLs, you can view the packet filtering statistics to ensure that any non-allowed traffic is denied. Use the show URL server statistics command to check how many packets have been allowed and dropped based on the responses from the URL server, such as WebSense. In example, the security appliance has denied 9000 URL HTTP attempts because of restrict or blocked content. The status of the WebSense server is up, which indicates that there is a bidirectional communication channel between the server and the security appliance. Network Address Translation (NAT) defines a one-to-one address mapping when a packet passes through the security appliance and matches criteria for translation. The security appliance either assigns a static IP address, a static NAT, or allocates an address from a pool of addresses. Cisco ASA can translate an internal address to a global address when packets are destinated for the public network. With this method, also known as inside NAT, the security appliance converts the global address of the return traffic to the original internal address. Inside NAT is used when traffic originates from a higher security interface such as the inside interface and is destined for a lower security interface such as the outside interface. Port Address Translation defines a many-to-one address mapping when a packet passes through the security appliance and matches criteria for translation. The security appliance creates the translation table by looking at the layer 4 information in the header to distinguish between the inside host using the same global IP address.